Hello everyone, this is Karunora and I'll welcome you back in Oratex. So in previous lecture we have done the swapping with swapping of two variables, but there we have taken a third variable help to swap these two variables. But in this lecture we are going to understand how we can do this without using any third variable. So we are going to use different logic here. We will do the swapping only, but the different will be little bit different. So let's see. So for that we will require two variables for sure. Yeah, so here I'm taking this one variable which is I'm assigning with the value 10, and again I will take a new variable, second variable, which I will assign the value with 20. So these are the two variables we have declared which we are going to swap. First we will see if we are able to print these variables. So let's print this variable first. So here we are going to print the A first, then we will going to print the B next. So quickly save this, compile this and check if it is running or not. So yeah, it is running and it says A has a value 10 and B has a value 20, which is correct, no problem. But our task is to swap these two values. So here we are not going to take any temporary variable. Here we are going to use the arithmetic operators help. So how we will do this? So simple math is there, simple logic is there. We are going to do the addition of these two variables and we are going to overwrite in one of the variables. So what happens with this? Let's see. So A plus B, that means in A you are going to store A value has a 10 and B value has a 20. So what will happen? A will become 30 here. So you are going to overwrite the variable A. So you have vanished the 10 from the A and the new value you have got 30 over here. Okay. Now we will overwrite B also. To overwrite B, we are going to use A minus B. So what we are going to do here? So your A has a new value, right? Your A has a new value, which is the addition value. So we are going to use that new value and we are going to subtract the B, and we will overwrite B with a new value over here, and we can see that new value will be nothing but 10. And if you will observe, we have achieved one half of the objective over here, that the B has become 10 now. Okay, so one thing has we have achieved over here. Let's achieve the next thing, which is A equals to A minus B. So what will happen over here? Let's see. So in A you are going to overwrite again, which will be the new value, right? So A still has 30. You can see A still has 30. So 30 minus, now the B has the new value here, which is the 10, correct? So B is not anymore 20. So we can use that B to create a new value of A, which will nothing but the 20 over here, right? So this is the simple logic we can use anywhere, and we can save the memory. So there is no third variable, so you have saved a memory over here. Since this is a short program, so not much of the save of the memory, but yeah, in industry there will be more such logical operations will be required. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will print like how it was before and how it is now. So this is like before swapping variables. Okay, let's put a semicolon over here. Then we will see after swapping variables. Okay, so yeah, I think we will quickly save it and run it. Let's see if it runs. Okay, it is running and we can see A was 10 and A has become 20. Earlier B was 20 and it has become 10. So this logic perfectly works. You can use other values also in this, and you can check if it is working or not. You can also make it pass the address of this variable to the one function and create a function. In that function you can do this logical operations. Okay, so yeah, that was all I wanted to say on in this lecture. Keep watching my videos, keep learning the embedded thing, and share with your friends if they want to learn. And if you have any queries, yeah, please comment down below. I would like to reply them. Thank you.